Osos, welcome back. Today's video is going to be featuring Samsbeauty. I will link all their information down below in the description box. I'm showcasing Sensational's wet lace wig in the style Solana. I have it in the color flamboyant gold. As you guys know, if you're familiar with the wet lace collection, the lace is kind of light, so I decided to tint it with my foundation. And then I want to go ahead and show you guys how this wig will look adhered to your head without any baby hairs. And then of course, my preference is to add baby hairs. So this is how it looks with baby hairs. Before we get into this wig show and tell, I wanted to let you guys see how long this hair is falling on me. It is super long. It's gorgeous. It's glamorous. If you're interested in knowing my thoughts, go ahead and stay tuned. Hey you guys, so this is my New Year's Eve look. You know, I'm feeling a little snatched. So let me jump right into my review on wet lace Solana. Once again, you guys, check down below if you're interested in checking out this unit. I'll have all of Samsbeauty's information linked down below. So hopping right in, the cap construction is really good. It's big head friendly. In fact, I had to customize a little bit. Like I had to snip like maybe a 1/4 of an inch off on the side so it can suit my head. So it definitely comes down ear to ear if you have a medium to a small head. The color that I have once again is flamboyant gold, and it's absolutely beautiful. Like, I'm just filming with my ring light on right now, so I hope the color is picking up because it's absolutely gorgeous. This wig is about, I'm gonna say 24 inches, maybe 22 to 24 inches, and the density and everything is perfect on this unit. This is definitely in my top 3 favorite wet lace wigs. Absolutely gorgeous. I'll link my other wet lace wig reviews down below in the description box. So I've only had this wig on for probably like an hour or so. So far I'm not getting any shedding. I'm not even getting any tangling or anything yet. I'm sure since it's long that it's going to tangle a little bit. The luster looks really gorgeous as well. Like, I can say so many things about this wig, but I really feel like sis speaks for herself, okay? So if you guys are interested in purchasing this wig, once again, I will leave all of Samsbeauty's information down below. I gotta get ready to go. Like I said, it's New Year's Eve and it's time to turn out, okay? So I want to thank you guys again for rocking with me all these years. If you aren't subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and join the fam. I would love to have you. 2020, like, yes, okay? Happy New Year's to everybody. This is probably going to be my first upload of 2020, so Happy New Year's, okay? Love you guys, and I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.